Alright, that's our winner for our group singing and dance competition. Once again, congratulations to all our sectors now and the participate and to all our members in our sectors. Sector, pwede mo mag-proceed din sa yellow table, left side of the stage to claim your consolation prizes. Before I announce the grand winner of our brand new motorcycle, I would like to call on Ma'am Annalisa Magsayo, the Federated Vice President. Please all rise. Palihog po nindog ang tanan.